Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make these steamed scallops with garlic and vermicelli. Let's get started! First, let's mince the garlic. Add 1/4 cup of cooking oil in the pan. Let's fry the garlic. Save a tablespoon of garlic for later. This is perfect. Here's the garlic I saved earlier. Pour the garlic and oil onto it. And mix it well. Soak the vermicelli in water for 1 minute. After 1 minute, rinse the vermicelli and pour hot water onto it. Then add the fish sauce and oyster sauce. Then mix well and soak this for 8 minutes. Then take out the vermicelli and set this aside. Let's combine the light soy sauce, hoisin sauce, sesame oil, chili oil, sugar, and mix it well. Scoop out the garlic and add this to the sauce. And mix it well. I'm going to use these scallop shells, but if you don't have this, you can use plate. Just place everything on it and steam it. Place the shells in the steamer. Then add some vermicelli on it and top it with scallops. Then add a tablespoon of our homemade sauce on it. And steam this for 4 minutes over high heat. It's 4 minutes and oh wow! This is so good! And let's garnish this with spring onions. Just put some on top. And let's add some chili. Heat up some cooking oil and drizzle half teaspoon of cooking oil on the scallops. It's sizzling, look at that. And let's try our steamed scallop. Wow, look at this. The scallop is so tender and tastes really good. Check out this vermicelli in our homemade sauce. Wow. This is really good. Hope you like this video and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!